I have a story for you today about Frank's adventures in the ocean. In a peaceful and quiet ocean kingdom lives a happy whale called Frank. He has a unique ability, the beautiful sound of music. When Frank sings, the whole ocean is immersed in his beautiful voice. One day, Frank noticed that the kingdom's beaches were littered with garbage, and the homes of the sea creatures are threatened. He decides to embark on an adventure to find answers and a solution to this problem. On his adventure, Frank meets a wise sea turtle called Little William. Little William tells him that the ocean's pollution problem is caused by human behavior, including waste dumping and overfishing. Frank decides not to sit on the sidelines any longer. He and William swim to a nearby beach together and begin to clean up trash and educate people about the importance of protecting the ocean. By hosting beach parties, organizing cleanups, and educating people about the environment, they encouraged everyone to get involved in protecting the ocean. Gradually, their efforts attracted more attention and participation, and the condition of the ocean began to improve. People learned to treat garbage properly, reduce the use of plastic, and protect the marine ecosystem. In the end, the ocean kingdom returned to its original beauty and purity. The sea creatures gathered together in Frank's song, thanking him for the love and hope he brought. Frank realized that every individual has the ability to contribute to the betterment of the world. He understood that everyone has an important role to play in protecting our beautiful oceans. Since then, Frank has continued to sing, using his musical voice to inspire more people to care for the oceans. His songs have become a powerful force that carries an important message of love, friendship, and environmental protection. This is the story of Frank's ocean adventure, where he uses his songs to inspire awareness and protect the beauty of the ocean. Regardless of age, everyone can be a hero in this story and protect our precious natural environment. If you like this story, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.